This is why I'm not a pastry chef. Cedric Groled is a world-renowned pastry chef. He is most famous for his realistic desserts that are sold at Le Meurice in Paris.
Mon objectif est de proposer un fruit à chaque fois avec le... L'idée c'est que quand je mange ce fruit-là, c'est encore meilleur que la nature. J'essaye de me donner cet objectif-là. Et surtout, c'est de le respecter. Donc si je mélange des fruits à l'intérieur, il n'y a plus de sens dans le physique et avec le goût. Mais à chaque fois, j'ai mis un assaisonnement qui va faire que ça soit différent que la nature et que ça soit assaisonné.
Cedric recently came to New York City to collaborate with another pastry chef legend, Dominique Ansel. For just 3 days, the two offered some of Chef Cedric Groled's iconic desserts.
Ouais, c'est la chose là où je suis plus reconnu, c'est les fruits. Les fruits sont extrêmement demandés déjà à Paris et même quand je me déplace au bout du monde, tout de suite c'est les fruits on me demande.
Fans were excited, to say the least. We got an inside look at how the desserts were made. Hi guys, so this morning we are meeting someone super special today. We are meeting Cedric Groled, and he's going to be teaching me how to make a few of his fruit desserts. I don't do pastry and I'm not very technical and nimble with my hands, so I hope that I can just execute this half as well as Cedric. I'm probably gonna do bad.
You are almost a pastry expert.
That's very generous of you.
So let's see how well you do today. So first steps, remember, you're gonna take the bottom of the skewer and push it right inside right here. Hold it there with your hand here.
So much pressure.
Just put it down here for a second.
Okay.
No, on the paper. Right here. Then take the piping bag, right? Remember the piping bag? Hold it from this side in your hand.
Like a little baby?
Here you're gonna guide it.
Okay.
You're gonna do stripes.
This way.
Up and down and left and right.
Okay, so crisscross?
Yes.
Okay.
There you go. Don't go too fast, not too fast. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're good. So you're gonna dip all the way to the base here, right? All the way to here. Dip, and then back up. Not too fast, not too fast. Okay.
Ready to do it?
Yes, perfect.
Hold it this way,
This way?
not too fast, yeah. Sur 10, tu les donnes combien? 2? Ouais. C'est
A 2 out of 10. Joy.
He said you should cut your
Couper les
nails.
ongles.
I should cut it?
Your nails.
Oh,
your
my
nails
nail.
should be cut next time.
No, these are expensive.
Okay,
Okay.
that's good enough.
Good enough. That's the motto for today. Good enough.
Alors là, il faut qu'elle plonge doucement et qu'elle relève doucement, qu'elle ne soit pas stressée.
Take your time. Not
Yeah.
too fast. There you go. That's good.
And
And
then-
then up. And let it drip a little bit. Move.
Perfect. 10 sur
I
10.
understood that. It's perfect. Mine looks so bad compared to his.
It looks the same. You can't tell.
You're nicer today.
I'm nicer today. Look over there.
Huh?
Which one's yours?
The lumpy one, that one.
Don't put too much pressure. Just lift it up slowly, very gently, delicately, and place it in the container. All right, do it.
Oh my god. If anyone thinks as they're watching this that they could do a better job than me, you are wrong. Are these preserved from the actual lemon?
Yes.
My hands are shaking.
Ne bouge pas.
Don't move. It's a little off center, but it's good enough. I guess.
Give me a break. Just give me a break.
Mets dedans.
Yeah, you're right.
Which one is yours now?
I think mine was so bad he actually threw it away. It's not here anymore. It's gone, yeah. Yeah, he was like, bye, and then he chucked it. For the other desserts, the processes are similar. The frozen cakes are dipped into chocolate, all decorated with edible ingredients.
La réaction que j'ai souvent, c'est quand je ramène par exemple sur la carte du menu, quand les clients ne connaissent pas vraiment, je vais expliquer pour les clients qui ne connaissent pas, il y a marqué citron sur la carte, et quand on ramène le citron dans l'assiette, ils sont en mode mais j'ai demandé un dessert au citron et c'est un vrai citron que vous nous ramenez, ils pensent que c'est un vrai citron, ouais, avec la vraie feuille et tout, ils sont surpris. Et ensuite, ils ont l'impression que le pâtissier ne s'est pas embêté, il a posé un citron dans l'assiette. Donc ils se disent c'est très simple, c'est très simple. Mais une fois qu'il casse et qu'il goûte, il comprend tout le côté complexe qu'il y a du dessert. En fait, j'aime que le client soit surpris en une fois déjà physiquement, et une fois qu'il va couper, il est là, waouh, je ne pensais pas que c'était comme ça. C'est souvent comme ça. Voilà. Ouais. J'essaye un peu de le côté Kinder que les enfants ont. C'est physiquement le Kinder, ça plaît, hein, les enfants aiment. Et quand ils cassent, ils ont une surprise à l'intérieur. C'est un peu ça.
Finally, it was time to try out Cedric's desserts.
Tu veux couper la noisette?
Do you want to get it?
Absolutely.
No? Why not?
Because I messed up so much
It's like
upstairs.
the end. Just have to cut it in half.
Wow. Oh.
Beautiful.
Well, that was
Okay, so-
unexpected, but very delicious to say the least. What's actually inside?
It's hazelnut paste. The ganache on the outside is nice and creamy, and you go towards the center. There's this hazelnut paste and this soft liquid caramel that just oozes out. So the balance of texture here is like just unbelievable, and the flavor of the hazelnut is just perfect. It's not too sweet. It's not too rich. It's like just perfect balance. Chef saying like the best way is to grab it and eat it.
It's not going to be too messy?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Comme ça, voilà. C'est parfait.
Right here we have the strawberry, like beautiful like ganache on the outside. In the center, there's confit strawberry, some fresh strawberries, some strawberry juice. It really tastes like a fresh, ripe, juicy strawberry.
It really does.
And it's finished with a tiny bit of clove powder on top.
If every fruit tasted like this, America would be healthy. So what is inside of this?
So inside the lemon, there's some confit lemon, some little pearls of lemon, some fresh lemon pieces, and mint as well.
So what is the purpose of kind of like eating it that way as opposed to like a spoon? Just more fun to eat? I can do it,
Je
yeah.
demande pourquoi tu aimes bien manger avec les mains.
Ouais, en fait, c'est le fruit, on le mange avec les mains. C'est vraiment le côté campagne, le côté simplicité. J'aime bien la simplicité en
C'est bon
fait.
ça, hein?
Ouais, avec les mains, je trouve qu'on ressent vraiment les choses différemment.
How do you say perfect in French?
Comment tu dis perfect, parfait en français?
Parfait.
Parfait.
Perfect.
Parfait.